Mbowa wano. There is a message that I wanted to take to you or to talk to you about. It was all about that the world has been dominated by Western Enterprise Organization or Western world, which is America, United Kingdom, and in the Western world. But the point I wanted to say today, kyensomesa olunaku lwa leero, was about how comes that God gave the Western world all the powers and the control mechanism and all the computers and the missiles and everything, and they are trying to control Africa. But how? Why do they use that power to control humanity for their own advantage, and they betray or destroy the natural world, or they destroy the tropical lands of Africa? Because civilization started from Africa. The root started from Africa. Whatever the West has got is coming from Africa. But this is the thing I'm teaching all of you. Kino kyembasomesa nti, what I'm trying to teach you today is that the West has got power of authority, laboratories, and examination and power. Africa has got nothing. Children of God don't have anything. But what the West has to answer is, why did God give you authority and power to control humanity, and you abuse the power of control of humanity? But the rest of the world, which is Africa, who are relying on you, or those who are looking for aid or support, they're the ones suffering. It's you to answer that, and it's you guys to navigate that, and it's you guys to understand that and to explain why is it that the Western world has got the computers and area codes and operations and everything, and Africa, they don't have weapons or anything. They do. But all I'm trying to say, power, how do you use power and control humanity? Bloodshed of the world under your consent. It comes back to you, the West, to be generating this kind of thing that I'm talking about. Explain to people that. I want people to explain to it, and I want people to answer it. Lwaki ensi z'abazungu ze zisinga obugagga mu nsi yonna ne zibeera nga zirina economy nga ze zisinga mu buntu bonna, naye ngeno mu nsi ze tulimu ez'abazungu tezirina mirembe, naye nga Katonda yabawa kompyuta ezisinga, n'abawa amaanyi agasinga, n'abawa ebintu byonna ebisinga mu nsi, n'abawa ennyonyi, n'abawa bimizaalo, n'abawa buli kimu, naye eno teri mirembe. Naye abantu mu Africa baavu, oba oluusi tebalina sente, naye nga balina emirembe mu tropics ze tuvaamu. Ekyo nkiwadde abantu bakirowoozeeko bo bakiddamu. Njogera nga psychologist oba nga advisor oba as a consultant. Mwerowooze lwaki abazungu balina sente nnyingi ng'ate okola ng'osigala mu mabanja, n'okola paka myaka 7 n'odda mu bicare home byabwe, ne ki lwaki abazungu babeera nga tebalina mirembe mu nsi engagga, ate eno buli omu ali mu mabanja. Kati amabanja ng'ate oli muntu mu Africa nga tolina mabanja, kiva ku ki? Gano amagezi nga bawadde mwenna mwerowoozeeko. Katonda yabawa obuyinza okontrolinga ensi, oba osobola okontrolinga ensi, naye ensi bagikontrolinze bulungi, ansi eyo bo bagi-answeringa ewa Mukama. Katonda yalina ossalawo. Mbaagala nnyo mwenna, love you all. Kijje Canada, America, Sweden, Netherlands, Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania. Ate mu translating ebyenjogedde mu lulimi lw'otegeera, Kiswahili buli omu ky'otegeera, Germany, Dutch, alles good, and French. Mubiddemu byenjogedde. Bye bye.